Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 1, Week 4, Day 4. So I'm going to say two words. If the two words rhyme, clap. Listen, lot, hot. Do lot and hot rhyme? Yes, let's clap. They rhyme because they both end in ot. Now we're going to listen for some more words and see if they rhyme. I'm going to read them once. You're just going to listen. Then the second time I read them, we'll clap. Now remember, we're listening if they rhyme or end the same. Mop, top. Mop, top. Those have op at the end. They rhyme. Pot, pit. Pot, pit. Those don't end the same in the middle. Well, in the middle, they're not the same. Ah and I are not the same. Dog, hog. Dog, hog. Those rhyme. They both have og at the end. Lock, sock. Lock, sock. They both have ok at the end. Last one, plot, plate. Plot, plate. Those don't rhyme because one has a and one has a. Okay, we're going to make some new words by changing the sounds. Here we go. This word is flop. Change the f to s, slop. Change the p to t, slot. Remove the s. So cover up the s. That's what I tell my kids in class. And then it becomes lot. Change the l to n, not. Change the n to h, hot. Change the h to t, tot. Change the t at the end to p, top. Change the t to mop. Change the a to a, map. Change the to wrap. Change the p to k, rack. Change the a to a, rock. Change the to s, sock. Change the a to I, sick. Add an L by the S, so SL, slick. Whoops. Yeah, so it would be slick. So if I went like this, slick, they don't have that part. So then get rid of the S. It becomes lick. Change the I to A, lock. Add a B here, block. Change the B to K, clock. Okay, nice job, friends. So these are high frequency words. Today you're just going to say it. 3, 2, 1, fun. It is fun to play. 3, 2, 1, make. I can make a doll. 3, 2, 1, they will win. 3, 2, 1, 2. Do you like dots too? Okay, here's our story for today. Jill and Jim. Okay, these are words you'll hear in the story. So I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. Down. 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1. Up. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then I will go. Jill and Jim. Your turn. My turn. Jim can sit down. Your turn. My turn. Our turn. Jill can look up. Jill will not sit. Your turn. Our turn. Jim will win. Your turn. Our turn. Jill can sit. Jill will dip. She's going to dip her foot in the water. Okay, your turn. Our turn. Jim can dig in it. We're excited. Okay, friends, so we have been working on alphabetical order. That's a fancy way to say we're putting our words in the order of the alphabet. So let's look at our first letter. P, D, F, T. So we're going to put those in order down here as we sing the alphabet song. Here we go. A, B, C, D. Oh, there's D. E, F. There's F. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. There's P. Q, R, S, T. There's T. Okay, did you see how I did that, singing the alphabet? Now, I don't know why this is mixed up the way it is, but I'm just going to put it like this. And we're going to circle our first letter in each one. This is not, it has an N, ox has an O, and dog has a D. So let's sing our alphabet song. A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P. Now if you were going too fast and if you did L, M, N, O, P, you would have forgotten the N because we hear the O next. L, M, N, O, P. Okay, so nice job putting those in order. Okay, so we are looking for which are exclamation marks and which are question marks. So remember, an exclamation mark means we're excited, and a question means we don't know. Okay, let's read it. Lock it. Oh, it has an exclamation. Now let's read it. Lock it. Okay, this has a question. Let's read it. What can Sal fix? Again, what can Sal fix? We don't know. Let's look at this end mark. We're excited again. Here we go. Nick jogs a lot. Together. Nick jogs a lot. Okay, last one here. We have a question. We're not sure. Here we go. Can Max pull? Again, can Max pull? We don't know. Okay, now this time we have two sentences that have some problems with them. So the first thing I always like to look for is what's first? A capital. So does what have a capital? It doesn't. You put two lines under a word, under a letter, to show it needs a capital. So let's fix that. Now it has a capital. We have our finger space. We have good spelling because it's a computer. We have spelling legible. That means I can read it because it's a computer. We're missing one more thing. Do you know? I think you do. It's an end mark. Now remember, we can have a question, an exclamation mark, or just a period. So let's look at the question. What has a fin? That sounds like a question to me. We would go, what has a fin? So let's put our question mark, okay? Okay, let's read it. What has a fin? Okay, that is a 5-star sentence. Okay, let's look at this word, this sentence. Okay, first I always start with my capital. Do I have a capital here? I do not. So I put my two lines under it. That means I need a capital, and I'm going to fix it. So let's read it. Toss it. Now is that a question? No. So we don't need a question. We could either be excited about it or just say it normally. We'll try both. Oh, whoops. I did that normally. Let's read it the normal way. Toss it. Toss it. Now let's make it excited. Toss it. Toss it. We're excited. Now friends, remember, we fixed the capital. We fixed the end mark. We already have finger space. We have good spelling. And because it's a computer, it's legible. That means I can read it. Okay, friends, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.